Hi guys, how are you? So today we have Princess Leia again with us, and we're going to be filming a Get Ready With Me, but this time around I do have the foundation. I did set it, and I do have concealer under my eyes. So we're going to do basic eye makeup, but this time around, instead of being like just plain colors, I'm going to be using e.l.f. Flawless eyeshadow and all those colors, and I really love blue, so this is gonna be like yay for me. So I did not do my eyebrows, so we're gonna start with that, and I'm gonna be using the Brow Gal by Tonya Crooks, and this one is Barbara Gacy, is an angle eye brush, so it's very fade because it's actually very old. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing this color right here. And here I have my mirror. And sorry if I look a little bit crazy, is that I still am sick. Can you guys believe it? It's like horrible to be sick. And I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows like that. I'm not gonna be doing too much, I just filled them in a little bit. And you can see the difference, it's more defined. And I'm gonna get the darkest shade again, and I don't know why I have always a harder time with this eyebrow compared to the other one. I guess like the hairs are different. I still have a lot of hair, but it's just that the hairs are growing different. So right there. And not too much, as I said before, just so they look at least decent. So what do you guys think? Awesome. So we're gonna move into the next step. I'm gonna put that on the side, and I'm going to be using the Blush Nudes Maybelline, and I'm gonna be using the base shades on this one, and I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Professional Eyeshadow Brush, and I'm always using the same brushes because I really like them. And I'm gonna be doing this shade right here for the base color. I'm putting it all over. Doing the same shade, more, applying a second layer. And you guys can see this one is more like warmer pink. And I'm gonna go with the first base all over the lid, second. And what I'm going to add now is a little shade of like peach. It's like a shimmering peach, I want to say. And I'm gonna use it right here. Not on top, on the eyebrow bone, but on the bottom part. And then I'm gonna do it. There's not much difference, I just like the little shimmery that it gives. And right there. And then I'm going to get this shade right here again and do it on my eyebrow there on both. So now I want to see maybe because I'm gonna be doing this ones as well, and so I'm gonna be doing those colors right there, more on the turquoise side. And I want to like do like a mix of colors, so I'm gonna do this one that I haven't used yet. As you can see, it has not a smudge in it, and I'm going to use that and put it on the crease. Do the same one over here. And these ones are very affordable. That's why I actually like using these ones. I have so many, guys. I know that I keep on using the same palette, but I'm gonna do so many videos that you guys are gonna get tired. I have so much makeup. The hair is on the way there. Do the same on the other side. All this with the same color. And then that made it a little bit darker. I'm gonna put that palette away, and we're going to be doing this one now. This one is the shade, I forgot to say that it's the e.l.f., but it's the Sea Escape. And sometimes these ones go for as low as like 60 cents, $1. So they're very affordable. They do tell you, like whenever you first buy it, it says like there's like a base shade, like a crease shade. Obviously this is long being used before then. So what I'm gonna do is get this 201 eyeshadow brush. It's like a little bigger but fluffy, and I'm gonna put this top color all over here, all over the lid, kind of like mixing the other color, and you can already see a difference, like a little bit. And then we're gonna do the same one again to make it more dramatic, so you can see. I mean, this color is awesome. Look at that. Has a lot of color, a lot of show up color. And it's not too much powder, so we're gonna do the same color, tap it off on this side. And compare and contrast. Do a little bit more probably. And then I'm going to do this one, is double shader brush. It doesn't even have a name to it. Who knows? It probably came in one of those kits that are like $10 for like 60 of them. And I'm gonna be using that one right there. And look at that color, awesome. And I'm going to be putting it right here. So on all the base of the eye. The same color. I'm gonna be doing, if you tap it, there's more color show, as you can see the difference. So I'm gonna tap it and do more color instead of like brushing it side to side, so it leaves more color to it. So look at that, I love it. And then we are going to get one of those darker colors, which are those two. I'm gonna use that one right there. And I'm going to use this one, which is the Professional eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna clean it a little bit. I always have like either a baby wipe or a face cleaning sheet, and I just clean it as I go. And then I'm gonna put this one on there. So this one I love. So that makes like the shape of the eye. And what I'm gonna do right there is actually get one of these good boys and like shade it in instead of owl. So it makes it like darker, but at the same time diffused at the corners, which that's what I like. Gonna get the same shade and do the same to the other side. If you wet these colors with by cleaning them with a baby wipe, they actually look more intense. So that I love too. look. How do you guys like it up to now? I love blue. That's my favorite color, the whole wide world. So then I'm gonna get a clean brush and go back in with this turquoise color right there. I'm gonna put it back into there. That one again right here. And this little look would go great actually if I get another brush and do this like all over, so anything that fell out is clean. And then now I'm going to get this one. Is a 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil by Urban Decay. It came in one of the boxes. It's really good. It glides really easy. And what I'm gonna do, of course, the bottom, the part fell. And I'm going to make the little line as if my eye was longer. You can see the difference. Makes a lot of difference. And if one side comes out different than the other, you just go back and forth until you fix it. And there we go. And then what I do is get this brush, which is the e.l.f. Professional Eyeliner Brush. And you can go over the line and kind of like diffuse it into the eye line. So how do you guys like it? I love blue colors. I think I'd said that once or twice. And then you can add, I have not added any bronzer or anything to my face just yet. I will put this one, which is just a basic lip gloss, to keep my lips hydrated meanwhile. And we're going to do some bronzing, which with this one, the e.l.f. that I've been letting you guys know. This is the golden one. And I get the Total Face Brush by e.l.f. as well. And put it all over. And it looks way better whenever you bronze yourself. And then we're gonna do the other bronzer, e.l.f. bronzer, but this time with this bronzing brush. And it looks like this is slanted. Fluffy but slanted. I'm gonna get that, tap it off, and do it like that. And you can see the difference right there. It feels like it cuts more into the cheek. You see? And then I do it upwards as well. So I do like that, but you don't want to come too close here because then it makes you look like older. So you want to stay from here up. And then do the same on the nose. You can do it with another brush, I don't mind. I just do it with the same. And then we're going to apply with this one, the highlighting brush. I actually use it also for the blush. And this is Color Mates. I did buy it at the dollar store. I will put just a little bit. And then I'm going to go back with the Total Face Brush by e.l.f. diffuse it a little bit. So that. And then the last thing, I think, yes, the last thing after the highlighter. So I'm gonna do the e.l.f. highlighter that comes like this to make it a little bit more shiny. Not that my face needs more shine, but it looks pretty. And right there, just a little bit here, there, everywhere where there's bone. Then I'm going to do the last step, and I'm going to be using the Ipsy lip gloss that came in, and it's Kissable liquid lipstick in matte rouge, and the shade is Desire. It looks like this. So if you have seen in my Ipsy, it's in one of them, and let's try it out how it is. So it's like on the pinkish side, but then when it dries, it has like a nice side. And the look is finished. What do you guys think? I feel very hip and excited to leave the house. Actually, no, I'm going to sleep. But thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the blue eye shade, and I will see you back soon.